about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, represent Palm Chasers. And we got a special guest here, my brother Angel.
Angel Diaz with Alpha Aesthetics Gym.
All right, so today's topic, keep in mind, fam, we're both trainers. I want to give you guys some news that you can use, all right? People ask us all the time, for beginners, I'm talking pure beginners. I'm talking less than 6 months in the gym. Pure beginners, less than 6 months in the gym, okay? And the question is, what is the best split that beginners should follow? What is the best split?
You know, I think that would be cool if we both share a good split, right? One of the ones that I like to start a lot with my clients, they're barely brand new coming into the gym, I like a full body split, right? So that could be 3 days. You can kind of, we talked about this before, we can kind of do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or whatever time frame works best for you. It doesn't have to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It could be Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, you name it. Play with the days, or even if you want to go back to back. I probably don't recommend that if you're a beginner, so always give yourself at least a day to rest. Full body A, full body B, full body C. You're hitting everything, right? You're not going too intense. You're not like killing yourself in the gym. Full body A, full body B, full body C. Meaning every full body day is gonna be something slightly different, where you're targeting the body entirely 3 times a week.
Okay, full body 3 times a week. And also, do you think at some point they can go from doing full body to something else? Or do you think full body is something they can stick to forever?
I think it depends on your schedule, depending on your goals that you have, right?
Okay.
Depending on, you know, if you maybe want to start with just general health, losing weight, I think full body is a great split to go by. But now if you maybe want to get into like more of a bodybuilding split, or, you know, depending on your goals, it may change over time. Maybe push-pull leg routine might work. So it kind of just depends. But to start off, I think a full body gives you the great foundation that you need to get started. And then from there, you play with it, kind of see what works best for you and see where your goals align at the time.
Yeah, I think full body is cool. And also an alternative, 4-day upper lower split. So notice Angel said 3-day full body, that's a great Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I like upper lower 4-day. That's like Monday upper, Tuesday lower, Wednesday off. Then go Thursday upper, Friday lower, the weekends off. You feel me? So that's 4 days in the gym out of 7. I like that split because a lot of people that come to me, they watch my videos on YouTube. So they already have bodybuilding aspirations. You know, Angel's coached so many types of people. He's coached people that want to prep, people that are overweight and trying to get down, and, you know, so we have people with different goals. Got to keep that in mind as well. I feel like full body is great for fitness-based goals. And fun fact, old school bodybuilders, like back in the bronze era, silver era, they were training full body. Leroy Colbert, rest in peace to Leroy, by the way. He was the first man natural to build arms that were over 20 inches, right? That's his claim to fame. The first man to build his arms, I believe, 21 inches naturally. Genetic freak, even at like 14 years old, was already having a crazy physique. Rest in peace to Leroy.
Chris Jones, you know, I'm proud of you, because what you've done for bodybuilding is almost what I've done. No, not almost. No, I don't want to make you feel too good. Not almost. You got a long way to go for your book. But what you've done, you're waking up the people to the dangers of massive doses of steroids. I'm very, very proud of you, and I'm happy that I have a younger fellow in my corner, and you understand, and I got to tell these people, they got to understand one thing. Steroids work outside the body, not with the body. It takes over. It's almost like a robot. It takes over your body. It allows the body to do what it could never do naturally, but it destroys it the same.
He showed me love before he left, you know, so full body's great, upper lower is great as well.
But
also keep in mind too, gotta keep in mind schedule as well. Some people might only have 3 days to give you. Keep that in mind.
Yep.
I don't give a damn what your goals are.
Yep.
If you only got 3 days to give,
That's all you
you
got.
know, don't fuck up your time at work, because some people have work schedule. They don't allow 5 days in the gym. Don't fuck up your money now. So know your schedule. Make the gym align with your schedule, right? So you know you only got 3 days to give, full body. If you got 4 days to give and you have more bodybuilding type of aspirations, then try to 4-day upper lower. You know, just go what fits best for you. Either split, you can't go wrong as a beginner. The number one split you should follow is something that you enjoy and you can stick to. That's number one.
What's best for you,
Right.
You gotta enjoy it. That's the main.
If you don't enjoy it, you won't even stick around. We've seen one thing we don't talk about enough is the people that come and leave. We see the whole,
Too many.
we see the Hall of Fame, the transformations, but what trainers don't be showing you is the ones that don't stick with it.
And I think the ones that don't stick with it are the ones that set unrealistic goals to begin with, right?
Yeah.
The people who go, man, I want to start off with the push-pull. Like, I want to start off hitting it every single day.
Yeah.
And some might. I'm not trying to scare you away. Some might.
Yeah.
Right? But statistic numbers show that that's a very low possibility,
Yeah.
right? Or saying, I want to start off with a super strict diet. Start with something a little bit more attainable, and over time, depending on your goals, where they align, you start building up.
Just start with day one and just build up gradually. Progressive overload in every way.
Progressive overload. That's
All right? There it is, fam. Again, let me know where they can find you, Angel.
4458 Spring Valley Road, right off the Dallas North Tollway, across the street from Galleria Mall. Alpha Aesthetics Gym, your one and only. We get big, baby.
And you already know, baby. And fuck with your boy over there. TigerFitness.com. Get 30 bottles minimum of everything.
30.
Forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. Moment of silence. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.